What's your club? Sorry.
My
Chiefs,
club.
Pirates.
Actually, Ndila, because
Oh,
Sinje.
you haven't won anything for a while.
Skissy. But then I'm a crossy girl, and yeah, so this thing of understanding football, because I'm actually a soccer player right now, and don't go to me, Dala, for my career and stuff. I'm gonna play it for as a hobby, lapho nalapho, because guys, you can still invite me on tournaments. You understand it? I don't have to go to gym for 30 days to be fit. You understand? So, and that's why I can say it's only football, which is I do understand the football cool. I can also be a sport analyst, which is maybe halftime. We can just talk about the game, everything on that, or many anything. Yeah, first half or second half as well. So I'm also good at that because I do understand football kakhulu. Yeah, but so anyway, that's my first nickname. It was Untimbesh. They called me Untimbesh, like Untimbesh because my first position as well, it was as a defender. So until I had to, let me just, because I'm also an asset. Yeah, well, and that's where I had to start playing left or right wing and as a striker, which is, I didn't know I could play those positions. That's where I got the name Mshini. Also, I have a pace, I have skills. I'm good. That's where I got Mshini. Okay. So, and I like that name because even at high school, they used to call me Mshini. So, majority of people that I've been around, even in my hood, they call me Mshini.
It's such a cool nickname. But
yeah, and I know a lot of people were shocked. Mshini, girl, why
I mean, exactly.
Yeah, and as a girl, like I'm like
exactly. Mshini way too.
yeah.
When